Okay, so welcome back. Now, in this example, this is using the last video, so you could use this. This is part B, if you will. So the last video we did part A. Now in part B it says, now that we know how to represent g of x as a power series, okay, then it says now evaluate the sum of this series. Okay, so now notice that this series is an infinite series, right? It's an so we want to estimate, we want to evaluate the sum of this. Okay, now notice that this looks like it's in this form, but not to see it, let's rewrite it. Okay, so we can rewrite this as what? Let me write it over here. So let's rewrite that series as this. N equals 0 to infinity, and we're going to pull the n plus 1 out. So let's write it as n plus 1, and then this is going to be 1 over 4 to the nth power, but this is the same as just 1/4 to the nth power, right? Just using property of exponents, and the numerator is just 1. So having 1 to the nth power isn't going to change anything. So now we can write this series as an equivalent expression of the series here. Now this looks like this, and now we know it's convergent because x is in the interval of convergence, right? Remember, this interval of convergence is -1 to 1. Okay, so now we know this is convergent, so we know that we can find what this converges to. Okay, so now we know, right, this is equal to this, right? So we know that this is equal to 1 over what? 1 minus 1/4 squared, right? And that's it, right? So now it's just basically chug away. So we know this is going to be 1 over, well, this is 3/4 squared, which is going to equal what? 4/3 squared, which is equal to 16/9. And we're done. Easy peasy. Have a great day.